Hey guys, today we're underneath the 2017 Powerstroke 6.7. We're just doing a quick filter change on it. So first we're going to open up the plug here on the bottom and get it drained. It's an aftermarket plug, unfortunately, so you know, he's doesn't drain quite as well, I don't think. And then we'll get it drained out and get this bottom off here. So after we get that, we'll undo this sensor here and we'll keep going, and then we just got to undo these four little bolts here, and that will be it, and we can drop it out. The only thing you'll really need for it is an 8mm socket and whichever ratchet you prefer. Usually here the filter will come out, but it was a little stuck, so had to do a little extra here on this one. The kit also comes with a gasket seal here on the bottom, so you can replace that out so you know you have a good gasket seal here too. A lot easier on the reinstall. Make sure you attach the filter back to the bottom, and then you can slide it up in, and your bolts will help you hold it. Also watch the sensor cable there. Almost got me. Once you're back up in there, just grab your socket, get a couple started, and you're pretty much down to plugging the sensor back in. We'll hop up to the top side now, and these, you just have a little safety clip on them you got to push out, and the line should slide right off the filter, not real hard. If you have to, you can use a screwdriver if you don't quite have the finger strength, and then you can just slide the filter out, slide the new one in, reattach the lines, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, well, we'll catch you guys next time.